Hey DIers, today I'm showing you how to turn a couple of old tin cans into a super handy mini stove. Perfect for camping emergencies or just impressing your friends at a backyard hangout. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need. Alright, let's get started. First, grab two empty tin cans. A larger one, like a soup can, and a smaller one, maybe from tuna or cat food. Give them a good wash and make sure there's no sharp bits on the edges. Safety first, folks. Now take the big can and, using a marker, draw a rectangle about 2 inches wide and 3 inches high near the bottom. This will be your stove's door. Carefully cut it out using tin snips or a utility knife. Remember, gloves on. Next, poke a few holes around the top rim of the big can. These will let the air flow through and keep your fire burning steady. Let's move to the small can. This is going to be your fuel holder. Punch a few holes in the bottom for airflow. Then, pop it inside the big can, right under the opening you just made. It should sit snug, but if it's too wobbly, just bend the edges a bit until it fits. Now for the fun part, fuel. You can use small twigs, dry leaves, or even a bit of charcoal. Drop your fuel into the small can and light it up. Carefully. Slide your door open to feed the flames and close it to control the heat. In no time, your mini stove will be roaring and ready for action. Place a small pot or pan right on top. The holes you made earlier will keep the fire going, and the can will focus the heat right where you need it. Boil water, cook noodles, or toast up a sandwich. This little guy can handle it all. When you're done, let everything cool down completely before handling or tossing the ashes. Clean it up, and you can use your tin stove again and again. So, next time you've got some empty cans lying around, don't toss them. Turn them into something awesome. Thanks for hanging out and happy building.